This video tutorial I will explain overview of MongoDB. MongoDB is a document oriented database and MongoDB is open source and MongoDB falls in the category of NoSQL database. NoSQL database means it does not follow fixed schema structure like relational databases. Example of relational databases are Oracle, MySQL, etc. And we can install MongoDB on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. So MongoDB is a cross-platform database, and MongoDB does not support joins, but it can represent rich hierarchical data structure. And MongoDB is easily scalable, and it gives high performance. Here you can see MongoDB server. A single MongoDB server can contain multiple databases, and database can contain one or more collections, and each collection can contain different types of document, and document is also called object, and document is represented as JSON structure, which is a list of key value pairs, and value can be three types: primitive value, or array of documents, or again list of key value pairs. Here you can see the table which shows the relationship of RDBMS terminology with MongoDB. In RDBMS, it is database. In MongoDB also, it is database. In RDBMS, table, and corresponding in MongoDB is collection. In RDBMS, row, in corresponding in MongoDB is document. In RDBMS, column, and corresponding in MongoDB is field. In RDBMS, table join, but in case of MongoDB, it is embedded documents. And in RDBMS, primary key. In MongoDB also, it is primary key. Default underscore ID will be provided by MongoDB itself. In case of database server and client, and in RDBMS, for MySQL database server, we have to use MySQL D. In case of Oracle database server, we have to use Oracle. In case of MongoDB, it is MongoD. For MySQL server client, we have to use MySQL, and for Oracle server client, we have to use SQL Plus. In case of MongoDB, we have to use Mongo. Here you can see the sample document, and this document contains information of the student in key value pair. Underscore ID is the primary key. Name of the student is Vivek. Class of the student is 12th, and subjects is represented in array, and address of the student is represented in document, and grade is array of documents, and all the information of student is represented in a single document. If we have to represent the same record in a relational database, then we have to define at least three tables. And the first table is for store the basic information like name, class, address, and another table for subjects, and another table for grade, and we have to relate these three tables to get the single student information. So if you are using MongoDB, we can avoid these joins like we are doing in relational database. And MongoDB do not support joins, and it is up to the developers how to define the schema to manage the relationship. Here you can see underscore ID, which is the primary key, and it is unique for the document. While inserting the document, we can provide underscore ID, and if you are not providing, then MongoDB provides unique ID for every document, and underscore ID is a 12 bytes hexadecimal number. In these 12 bytes, first 4 bytes for current timestamp, and next 3 bytes for machine identifier, next 2 bytes for process ID, and next 3 bytes for incremental value. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.